Hey everyone, I'm Jay Cohen, editorial director here at Feed, and today I'm going to show you a simple, easy recipe all made on our GE Profile Smart Appliances. We are making a cinnamon coconut toast today. It's so good, so easy. You probably have everything in your pantry already. First things first, I'm going to slice my brioche into 1-inch slices. I only need about 4 slices for what we're doing today, but you can just save the rest, throw it in the freezer, make French toast, whatever your heart desires. Beautiful, some nice 1-inch thick slices with a serrated knife. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is we are going to take a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. I want to make sure that it is room temperature and soft so you can kind of really get everything incorporated. And we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm just going to stir this together until it is completely incorporated and smooth. And we are just going to kind of smear this on our bread and pop it right into the pan. Beautiful. Exactly what we're looking for. So here's the fun part. We have our brioche slices. We have our little compound coconut oil. And what we're gonna do is just smear this on both sides of each slice of bread. I'm kind of treating this like I would the kind of trick for perfect grilled cheese and kind of putting mayo on all sides of the bread to kind of get that really even color. By doing this, you're able to not only give the bread this like barrier of fat to help get nice and crisp and golden and caramelize with the sugar, but you also allow for like the cinnamon to just infuse into the entire toast instead of just like sprinkling on sugar at the end. All right, time to cook. I have a medium nonstick skillet that I am bringing around medium-high heat. And then once that's up, we are going to add in our toast. The coconut oil is gonna melt, sizzle the bread, and we're going to have a delicious breakfast snack. Just gonna spray with some nonstick cooking spray. And there you have it, the easiest coconut cinnamon toast ever. Look how absolutely perfectly even this is, all thanks to our GE Induction cooktop. I'm gonna give it a try. The caramelization of the cinnamon sugar in the coconut oil on the soft brioche, it's warm. This is honestly the best snack for any time of day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, I'm always gonna be eating these. If you want the full recipe, you can head to thefeedfeed.com. Thank you so much to GE Profile for outfitting Feed Brooklyn with their smart appliances. We'll see you next time.